for next weekend, which is the BASHFEST. So we've got a bunch of cars coming up, we're going to hoon around a bit, and yeah, it should be an awesome time. But we're going up there to do some preparation, get the track ready, get a bonfire ready, and yeah, it should be a really good day. Been around the track, we've moved some stuff around. Now we just got to change the radiator out on this because it's got a pinhole leak. Trying to blow the tanks off, I think. So just going to replace the radiator so we don't have to stop every 10 minutes and let the jolly thing cool down. Now I've taken all the covers off. I can see where it's been leaking from. You can see the pink in there from the coolant. Yeah, I don't really know if it's leaking just in there or the actual tanks coming off, but yeah, it's pretty common to have the tanks fall off on these. You can see all the pink all the way down the side there, which means it's probably the tank coming off more than the actual cores leaking here. Pretty common thing. I've had that happen on my daily car twice actually. Bought a second-hand radiator and then ended up buying a new one so it wouldn't happen again for a bit. Yeah, got this one almost out and just about to put the new one on. Alright, so put this new radiator in and it should be pretty good, I reckon. Hopefully it's all plumbed up again. A few little differences between this one. Maybe it's not from a VX. Had some clips down here rather than bolts, which was actually nice because they were hard to get anyway. And, yeah, all plumbed back in, ready to give it a start. Hopefully the battery has enough power to start it up. And give it a try. Sean's been doing a good job back here. Got space for a door now on one side, other side's almost off. Just gotta start that up. Oh, like a dream. Now let's see if there's anything that's leaking. You're guilty! Fancy seeing you out in this kind of place.
Oh mate, place I'd rather be at too.
That's it. It's a lovely day.
Two rides don't make a left, do they?
They certainly don't. Oh, a bee.
Some wildlife. A wild bee out in its natural environment. Check him out.
So here we have the commodores to commodores conversion.
Gone and bent the blade.
Told you bend it. That's alright. Alright.
Onto that.
One door done. Yeah.
Onto
It was the easiest thing I could find. Had a bit of trouble here actually getting to it once it's welded on. It's really hard to cut off again. Alright, so we're going to give you a quick little preview of the track. And yeah, see if you like this new layout. Should be quite entertaining, I reckon. A bit faster than the normal layout, but see how she goes. We'll have a flying start down in the shed. All cars wide. And straight into the track. That's a lap. Yeah, I reckon it should be pretty fun. Alright, one commodore conversion sorted. Thanks, Sean. Yeah, the other side's just about to go on. just the exhaust blocks it a little bit, so I'll probably have to take the exhaust off first, shut the door and then put the exhaust back on, but yeah, we'll put that on before we go. And yeah, it's almost home time. I'm trying to rush to get home, but yeah, what an awesome day. Looking forward to next weekend. Back with the loser, I mean the learner. Harsh. Nah, back with the learner driver, trying to get his hours up so he can get his license. Yeah, had a pretty fun but a bit annoying time at the farm. Pretty frustrated, couldn't get the tractor started again. It's been having some issues with the fuel. So yeah, we'll have to try and maybe push up the bonfire by hand or something. I don't really know. But yeah, overall it was a good day at the farm, and we got the doors on the Commodore, which I'm super stoked about because that'll make it heaps nicer, because we're probably going to end up being pretty dusty towards the end of the day. Mate, Tim needed us to chase some sheep, so we'll jolly well go and help him. What do you reckon? First time chasing sheep? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Look out, sheepies! Here we come! One hand on the steering wheel, other wheel. Don't mess up. Alright, everybody on YouTube, you should critique Sean's driving. Tell us if that hand position is right, because I reckon it's not the best spot.